What is up, everybody? My name is Jeannide, and today we're about to get into my quarantine beauty routine for facial hair removal. I'll be looking from this to this, so there is some difference. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want to tune in to see my beauty routine process right now for facial hair removal. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. We are about to show how I'm going to pretty much remove my facial hair since I can't get my waxes anymore because we're all quarantined, sadly. But you all are doing great and very well. So today I'll be using nair because we need to use nair. I need to take off this hair because I'm starting to get a beard. It's crazy, and I have a little peach fuzz up here, but it's not that bad. Could be worse. I feel like I have more nose hairs than like hair up my... Okay, actually on this camera it looks bad, but when I looked in the mirror it did not look that bad. And to be honest, because I've been using their face cream, waxing really is better because my hair now, it grows back thicker than how it usually would using the whatchamacallit, waxing. If I were to wax, oh my god, so much hair right there, I feel it. And it kind of looks like I have ingrowns in the photo in my thumbnail, but we're gonna take care of it. So I use like a thick layer pretty much, and I always do this before I shower, because like when I shower I'm gonna like exfoliate the area that I nair. I'm gonna exfoliate my whole face, but especially the area that I just naired. So this is pretty much my beauty routine, my quarantine beauty routine. It's a huge part of my quarantine beauty routine because I plan on filming, like, well, I'm filming now, but I plan on really filming like tomorrow. So like really filming other stuff tomorrow, so I can't get on camera looking crazy, so I have to do this. So I haven't done this since... when was the last time I did this? I naired my face, I guess. See, and I have a unibrow. Can I have a unibrow? Right now it's 1:36 p.m. I'm gonna leave it on till about 1:50, 1:55. We'll see how I feel when it starts burning, to be honest. Because my experience with nair, look at that, I kind of got on my eyebrow. I don't want it, but whatever, we got it. So my experience with nair, like the first time I used nair when I was like, I guess 11, I used like the body nair, not this one, and I had whatchamacallit, I had like allergic reaction to it, so I never used it again. Like even like in college or high school or whatever, I probably should have used it, like the face cream for my face, but because I needed it. And I actually tried shaving, but shaving I always get razor bumps. Waxing honestly is the best thing for me, but I was too afraid to like buy an in-home wax kit. And besides, even if I did order it already, like ordered it like around the time quarantine started, honestly and truly, it probably wouldn't come until I guess this week or whatever. So I would have to nair anyway, because like ordering things off of Amazon, they're gonna take like a month or so. If it's not an essential item, it's gonna take like a month or so for it to come. That's why in the meantime, even if I did order like a shaver or something, I still would have to use this, because I can't just do nothing, just walk around, even if I'm being in the house, but I'm filming, so I can't be on camera like I was in 2018 looking like a man. I gotta do some nairing. But anyways, so continuing with my experience. So with nair, I started using it again last year before I started waxing, and honestly and truly it was fine like my first few times using it, but I guess after like a month or not a month or two, but like maybe 2 or 3 months after, it's like my body got used to it or something, or maybe because it's like it's not like fresh product anymore, so the efficiency pretty much decreased. But since it's pretty much like a fresh bottle, I expect for most of the hair, if not all of it, to come off. I hope as much as possible can come off though. I really do hope so. I really do, because I need this hair to be off. I need it off. So yeah, this is an eyebrow razor. Ooh, I missed a spot. Or maybe it's drying down, that's why it looks like that. I don't know, it looked like I missed a spot. A friend recommended me this shaver. I'm probably gonna get it soon, especially when this is, and we don't know how long this quarantine will end for. Hopefully, Jesus, hopefully by the end of, like, by May 1st, everything reopens. I heard that, like, the cases are lower, or the numbers are, like, lowering in New York. So hopefully by May this is, like, over and done with, because I don't know how long this is gonna be good for, because my body doesn't really like this thing that much. It doesn't always work on me after a certain time, so I'm gonna have to get a shaver instead, like, so, because I got recommended to use a shaver, so I'm gonna need that shaver if it's May and the wax centers aren't open. That's the reason why I started waxing, because this stopped working for me. Like, I would put it on my face, and I would put it on my face for about 20 minutes, and I still wouldn't get hair. Like, all the hairs still want to come off. Like, it would be like some of the hairs would come off, but I would still see a whole bunch of hair on my face, like on my chin. I would still have a beard. That's the reason why I started waxing. These are the wipes that I mentioned in my Dollar Tree haul. I use this. They're feminine wipes. I use them for down there. I use them to remove my makeup with coconut oil on them. And I also use this to remove the face cream, the Nair face cream. I'm gonna go wet it with hot water, and I'll come back and wipe this thing off, and we'll see what happens. This one's done cooking, definitely. I'm gonna wipe that off first, because the eyebrow hairs are easiest for me to take off. But yeah, this is wet. So I'm gonna, you should honestly wipe it against the direction that it grows. I don't know what direction my hairs grow. I didn't notice that. Y'all see that? Oh my god. You see that hair? I didn't know it was that much hair. Anyways, here we go. Let me see what happens. Oh, well, that's a good amount. That looks like a decent amount right there. Hold on, let me do this again. Oh, that's a lot. Let me do it the opposite direction. Let's see what happens. Oh, some more hair came off. Look at that. So, and I'm starting to feel this area burn, so I'm about to do that next. That's like the main area that I'm like concerned about. I don't really care about my unibrows that much. I don't. I see a little bit of redness, but okay. Now we're doing this. What the hell? Some of it came off. Oh, this thing burning. Hold on. I see a whole bunch right here. But I see a lot of hairs here too, though. But oh, that's a lot of redness. Okay. It sucks because my skin is kind of sensitive, but it's like I can't just leave it on for 10 minutes because it's not gonna come off in 10 minutes. It's not. What time is it now anyway when I'm doing this beard? Now it's like 1:55, so I guess I did wait about 20 minutes to take off this one. That's a long time, and I still see it's not coming off. Like, as I keep rubbing, it does come off as I keep trying to rub it off. My mustache. Oh, that's like a good amount. That's decent, because my mustache wasn't that bad. But I had this long one right here. Is it still there? Oh, it's still there. I'm never seeing it. Like, it was just staring at me these past few days. I do get ingrowns, actually. I get ingrowns whenever I nair. But I've been exfoliating my face more, and I've been using this face oil. I don't know what's in it, but it's got hair in my mouth. But it's by the company Fur, like Make Fur, F-U-R. And yeah, that oil specifically is great for ingrowns. It's great for women. It's really a product that's for I guess after you're shaving or after you wax, after you nair, whatever. It's to prevent ingrowns and to make your face feel nice and look radiant, whatever, after doing those hair removal things. Anywho, so let me come back because I need to. Well, this is what it looks like so far, though. Oh God, this is what it looks like so far. We'll see what it looks like after.
1 hour later.
Y'all, so let's talk about what I just did. I actually went in the shower, I washed my body, of course, and also exfoliated my face. So I exfoliated my face with so it's really a blackhead clearing scrub, but I use that all over my face as well. But yeah, I exfoliated and I used the fruit oil to moisturize my face after getting out the shower. And this is what it looks like now. But this nair, honey, it didn't take off all the hairs. I'm very disappointed. Now I'm gonna have to like get that shaver, I guess, off of Amazon, because this did not really work. It didn't work as well as I expected for it to work. I really thought everything was gonna come off because I really left it on for like about 20 minutes. When the directions say it's leave it on for 10 minutes. Found it. It says wait 72 hours between uses. 72 hours is 3 days. So I'm gonna have to wait till Wednesday. We'll see what happens. I'm really upset. And in the last clip, while I was still talking about whatever, you can clearly see like there are hairs right here. Like I have a whole lot of hairs here. Honestly, when it comes to nairing, like this is not like a facial, facial hair removal. It's not like a one product, one step thing. After you finish nairing, you should definitely try to exfoliate your face. Once I finished exfoliating, I had like more hair came off. And with nair, you can get ingrown hairs. So this is why I have this for oil to like reduce ingrown hairs. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not sure what an ingrown hair looks like. I remember the last time I went to my wax specialist, she told me, oh, my ingrowns don't look that bad anymore because I've been using this. So yeah, that's all I have to say. This was a quarantine beauty routine that just totally failed today. We'll see what happens within the next 3 days. Maybe in 3 days it'll work. I don't know. I need this thing to work. I'm gonna have to really go on Amazon and get that shaver because this is not it. This is not it, y'all. I need to get my waxes because I can't do this. Can't be happening. Okay, this can't be happening already. Like I'm already getting problems. Like it's not efficient. Today it was not efficient. It was not it. So yeah, please stay home, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This was my quarantine beauty routine for the moment, for facial hair removal. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and deuces.